Most people wouldn't expect this, but one single fish can turn into a high-end gourmet dish if you know exactly which part to keep and how to cook it right. Here in the middle of a busy street in Taiwan, there's a small, humble-looking kitchen hiding a truly luxurious delicacy. They take a whole milkfish, also known locally as fish, and cut away everything except the softest, silkiest section right around the belly. This cut of fish is so rich and tender that back in ancient times, you might only find it in royal banquets, but here, it's the signature dish served straight from a sizzling pan. Now, the chef doesn't just cook this dish, he owns every step of the process from the moment the fish arrives fresh every morning straight off, the ice to the final golden sear. These fish are processed within 9 minutes of delivery to keep them at their peak, and the moment you watch him work, you'll realize his knife skills aren't just precise, they're practically hypnotic. The gill's gone in a blink. The scales scraped smooth with just the right amount of pressure. One turn, and the head is gone, discarded like it was nothing. With one hand holding down the body, the chef slices through in a perfect arc, separating the prized belly meat in a single motion. No hesitation, no wasted effort. This man knows the anatomy of a milkfish better than most people know their own hands. Within seconds, he's cleaned the surface, removed the tiny bones and anything that might ruin the smooth, buttery texture. This tiny slice holds all the richness, all the flavor, all the beauty of the fish. Meanwhile, the rest of the meat gets trimmed, cleaned and prepared too, but nothing compares to that belly. It's rich in healthy fat, smooth, like tofu, and practically melts. The moment it hits your tongue, he separates the skin with surgical precision, leaving it glossy and smooth, then lays everything out neatly on the counter, like works of art. And yeah, he might be older, but his hands still move like he's in his prime, slicing, dicing, and laying down 10,000 fish a year with flawless technique. Now here's where simplicity becomes perfection. No fancy tricks, just a hot, flat pan, a splash of oil, and that belly slice goes straight into the fire. The sizzle hits instantly, that sharp, clean sound of searing protein, and your nose catches a hint of ocean sweetness that fills the room with anticipation. And there it is, a dish that speaks louder than any fancy plating, just a golden slice of perfection, made from a fish that most people never think twice about. One bite in, and it's over. Your mouth goes soft, your eyes close, your brain forgets where you are. Crispy, juicy, tender, rich. No wonder people keep coming back just for this. And hey, just one more thing. If you ever need a car, check out Quasi. Seriously, you can shop from your couch.